Surface area of cylinders. So let's continue with your worksheet with the nets that we did in our last lesson. And let's look at a cylinder one more time. Here's a cylinder. If we take its net, remember we cut up the middle and we lay it flat, we end up with two circles and a rectangle. So looking at number 8 on your worksheet, we first have to draw its net. So let's check the net you drew in the last lesson. So you should have had two circles and a rectangle. Now number 2 says we need to find the area of each shape. So let's find the area of the circle. Remember, area is pi r squared. So we need to take 3.14 times our radius. Well, if our diameter was 10, our radius would be 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25 times 3.14 is 78.5. So each of these circles is 78.5 feet squared. Now we need to find the area of the rectangle. Well, we know the rectangle's height is 21 feet. We need to find the rectangle's base. The rectangle's base is the circumference because it wraps around these circles. So we need to take 3.14 times our diameter, which would give me 31.4. We now need to times that by its height of 21. When we do that, we get 659.4. So we need to take now each of those numbers, 78.5 plus 78.5 plus 659.4, to get our final answer of 816.4 feet squared. You may want to leave this open as you start on your worksheet for tomorrow to make sure that you understand how I found each part. To review, find the area of each circle. You know your height. You have to find the base of the rectangle. The base of the rectangle is your circumference. So you find your circumference and then you just take your base times your height to get the area of the rectangle. Add 3 together.